Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by gathering the exact documents the bank accepts: PAN, Aadhaar, passport, or driver's license, and a recent passport photo. Once done, open your bank's app or net banking and go straight to Profile or KYC Update. This avoids branch queues. Make sure your Aadhaar-linked mobile is active for OTP verification, because the system uses it to verify identity. Start with digital steps whenever possible. They are faster, and you'll know quickly if any document is missing or needs better quality. You now upload documents and complete the form fields. Take care to type PAN, address, and date of birth exactly as on official records, because mismatches cause rejections. Once you upload, the bank often requests eKYC. Authorize it with the OTP sent to your registered mobile. This speeds approval. If the bank requires physical verification, schedule a branch appointment or request a doorstep verification, because an in-person check confirms signatures and original documents. Keep file sizes within limits. You finish by saving the confirmation or reference number and watching for an SMS or email. Banks typically confirm KYC within 24 to 72 hours. After confirmation, make sure account limits and services reflect the update, since KYC often unlocks transactions. If the update is rejected, don't panic. Poor scan quality, mismatched details, or expired ID are common causes. The key troubleshooting tip is to rescan documents with good lighting, correct any typos, and if needed, go to the branch with originals for immediate resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.